This is Realme GT Neo 3T I have in front of me, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls, thus turn them off on this device. So to begin with, you need to launch settings, then enter the Google category. Over here, let me quickly prove that I do indeed have parental controls active. Here you go. From here, tap on the Manage Your Google Account button. Oh, and I also have to notice that in order for this method to work for you, you have to know the password to the child's Google account. Otherwise, unfortunately, you'll have to look for another one. So in here, open up the Data and Privacy page, scroll it down, and tap on the Delete Your Google Account option. Do not be afraid. Right after we will deactivate parental controls, we will also recover the Google account, so you will not lose it. No worries. In here, I'll quickly enter the password of the screen, apparently. After that, you'll get the following page. Scroll it all the way down, check those two boxes, and tap on the Delete Account button at the bottom right corner. From here, you can get two types of messages. You can either get this one that clearly states that your my Google account and all its data were erased, or you can also get something went wrong message. Both are fine. Both identify that you did everything right. So the first part is out of the way. We have deactivated parental controls, and let me prove that to you. Prove that to you. So in here, as you can see, there is no account linked, not a single one, and the parental controls are indeed disabled. The second part is to recover the Google account that you can do by using it to log into Google Play Store. So let me do exactly that. Enter the email of account in question. Then you you should get the following message that states that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. So that means that we are on the right track. Now I'll quickly enter the password to this account of the screen, obviously, as well. In here, I've gotten the something went wrong message. Do not be afraid. Basically, after that, your account was recovered. But in order to prove that to you, I'll further try to use it to log into the Play Store. So I will re-enter my email address. Then password. Now we will proceed with a more boring part, like accepting Google services, accepting terms and whatnot. And as you can see, our Google account has been successfully recovered, and we have also successfully switched off parental controls. So that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.